Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a hot topic for Roblox fans, ISP64 free Robux. You've probably seen ads promising free Robux or maybe stumbled across the website and wondered if it's too good to be true. Well, we're going to break it down for you and find out if this is a real Robux generator or just another scam. Quick disclaimer, all the information in this video is based on research and user experiences. ISP64 is a website that claims to give users free Robux in exchange for completing surveys, watching videos, or downloading apps. The idea of getting free Robux sounds tempting, right? Who doesn't want extra Robux for their Roblox games? But before you get excited, there's a dark side to this site. While ISP64 promises a ton of free Robux, the reality is very different. According to Trustpilot reviews, there are a lot of mixed opinions, but the negative reviews seem to dominate. One user said they ended up with a phone full of viruses after using the site. Yikes. In fact, several users have reported their devices getting infected with malware, forcing them to reset their phones. And here's the kicker. There are reviews where people have given 5 stars but included a warning about the site being a scam, further raising suspicions about the legitimacy of the service. Let's set the record straight. There is no such thing as a free Robux generator outside of Roblox's official channels. Websites like ISP64 and other similar platforms are just tricks to harvest your personal information, and sometimes even infect your device with malware. They manipulate users with promises of quick Robux and create false urgency to make you act fast. Malware tips and other experts suggest avoiding these sites altogether. If you've already used one, it's important to change your passwords and monitor your accounts for any unauthorized access. So, is ISP64 free Robux a scam? Absolutely. There is no free lunch in the Roblox world, and sites like this are just to take advantage of unsuspecting players. Stick to official Roblox promotions for your Robux and avoid these shady sites at all costs. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.